Welcome, culinary aficionados, to another episode on Cook and Travel. Today, the spotlight shines on a delectable addition to your ultimate sandwich bar series, marinated grilled chicken strips. A versatile and delightful protein option that will raise the bar for any sandwich you craft. To start, gather your ingredients. For this recipe, you will need boneless, skinless chicken breasts, olive oil, soy sauce, honey, garlic powder, smoked paprika, black pepper, and a hint of lemon juice to deliver a zesty punch. The first step in this culinary journey involves marinating the chicken. Slice the chicken breasts into strips or bite-sized pieces and toss them into a bowl. Drench these in the marinade you've prepared, ensuring each piece is well coated. Seal the bowl and tuck it away in the refrigerator, allowing the flavors to marry for a minimum of 30 minutes. While the chicken marinates, it's time to heat up the grill. Whether you're using a traditional grill or a grill pan, the key is to get it nice and hot. Once ready, lay out the marinated chicken strips. Grill them for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side until they're cooked to perfection, sporting a scrumptious char. Once the chicken strips are off the grill, carve them into thin strips. The aroma wafting off them is delectable, and they look absolutely enticing. A sprinkle of fresh parsley provides the perfect garnish. Now, the marinated grilled chicken strips are ready to take center stage in your ultimate sandwich bar. Their versatile nature allows them to pair well with a variety of bread, cheese, veggies, and condiments. Before we conclude, a taste test is in order. They are incredibly flavorful, juicy, and will undoubtedly enhance any sandwich they're added to. And there you have it, our marinated grilled chicken strips recipe. If you recreate this at home, remember to share your creations on social media. I'm always thrilled to see them. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cook and Travel, and activate the notification bell so you're always in the loop for tantalizing recipes. Until the next video, enjoy crafting your perfect sandwiches.